Hi dumplings, how you doing? This week I want to take you on a little sneak peek tour inside my Korean cooking masterclass. I've got Emily making fresh kimchi from scratch. We also did buchonjon, a garlic chive pancake. Jack is serving up his portion here. He's definitely nailed the assignment and he knows it too. I love listening to the students talk. They always crack me up. I'm serving here one of my side dishes, which is a spicy cucumber salad. Every week I get to go to the school and cook and teach. I feel really lucky and just happy to be there. Some rolled omelette action here, and I also made oimuchum, a sprout salad, Korean style, refreshing, tasty, and just really fun to eat. Something uniquely Korean as well is this acorn jelly salad tossed through a dressing with perilla as well as chrysanthemum greens and carrots. Lovely texture, highly recommend it.
I'm going to go to the fridge and grab your beef. We're going to start on the bulgogi as well.
The finished product, bulgogi on a sizzling hot plate.
Yum! I'll get you to come and grab all the banchan and grab a pair of tongs for the bulgogi.
Students make the main dishes plus a stew. I didn't get time to film, but I love to do the side dishes to support their meal to make it really special. I normally do one or two, but this class we had a couple of awesome birthdays, so I went all out. Some happy snaps here before we sit down for a delicious lunch.
Beautiful, guys. Enjoy!
I hope that made you a little hungry. Thanks for watching. Let's cook together soon. Bye!